my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video we have a look of Harmony cryptocurrencies. What's the price change goes in Harmony, what's the high price, and what is the current status of Harmony in the cryptocurrencies markets. In this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now as you can see now on the screen friends, that is the live price prediction of Harmony coin of the last 1 hour. Then the currently change occur in the Harmony you are watching live friends. So the average change occur in the Harmony in the last 1 hour is negative 0.16% change occur in the Harmony. And if you look the chart analysis of the Harmony coin, so as we can see here now at this time currently they start explosion and they are also in the explosion mode. So if we look the high price of Harmony in the last 1 hour is about $0.1529. Is the high price of Harmony in the last 1 hour. Now let's check it out the last 1 day price predictions of the Harmony coin. What's the price change goes in Harmony in the last 1 day friends. As you can see here, the average change occur in Harmony and the last 1 day as negative 0.48%, and the high price is $0.153791 is the high price of Harmony coin. If we look the chart analysis of the Harmony coin, so the chart analysis tell us that the previous hours they fast down, but the 2 hours ago they start jumping over the last 2 hours, and the last 2 hours they start explosion at this time as you can see here, and they are explode very highly. The big pumps occurs in a previous last 2 hours. Now let's check it out the last 1 week price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 7 days in the Harmony coin. As you can see here, a good change occur in the 7th and 6th April. A good change occur in the Harmony coin. As you can see here, very goes like a rocket on the 6th April. So that's a chance for that's a chance be active in the cryptocurrencies markets for a jump or dump. As you can see here, the average change occur in the Harmony and the last 7 days is negative 6.3%, and the high price of Harmony as $0.170546 is the high price of Harmony and the previous last 7 day friends. So that is the last live price predictions of the Harmony coin. I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in this coin, please do your own research. And my suggestion for all of Harmony coin holders that it's time to hold Harmony coin because the big explosion are coming soon. As you can see here, they are now in explosion mode. So that is why my suggestion for you to please hold your Harmony coin with the last of this month and make a good amount of profit. If you want to buy a Harmony coin at this time, so absolutely it's a good decision for you. Buy a Harmony coin at this time. It's the best time to buy. So what's your opinion about Harmony coin? Please share in the comment box, and also subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of urgent news and updates videos.